this is the Cricut specific transfer tape. This one is a foot by 21 feet. So 12 inches by 21 feet. This does exactly what a seasoned Cricut user expects. Smooth pickup, clean release, no residue. I've used plenty of generic brands, but keep going back. This one consistently gives a cleaner transfer, especially on small lettering and detailed decals. So basically, you're going to take this off the roll and then cut it to the shape of your transfer. Then that transfer, that's what you use to apply it to the actual item. So this is why I like this Cricut brand and why I only buy the name brand products. Reliable tact, the right amount of grip for the standard vinyls, holds firmly without fighting the release. What that means is, pretend I'm using, this is the product. I'm going to put it on there. I'm going to put the vinyl on here. Then I'm going to transfer it. It holds firmly without fighting the release. The release being it's going to transfer to the product. This does clean, bubble-free transfers. Even if you have a very intricate cut, it's going to go down straight the first time. You're not going to have to do it again. And what I love most, 21 feet here is really ideal for many projects. And from the start of the roll to the end of the roll, the projects are going to be even. So Cricut transfer tape remains my personal dependable choice for precision vinyl work. This transfer tape is consistent, it is frustration-free, and it really does deliver professional results every single time. This roll here I'm keeping it on hand for all of my standard vinyl projects, and it never disappoints. I am so excited to get started for the holidays.